Hey, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Been a while since I've done a video. First off, yesterday, the news. Man, what's going on with this planet? Boston, man. I used to run I've done one marathon, Chicago, and it really personally hits me when these sort of things go down. But nonetheless, not a good thing. But let's focus on some other stuff. I've got right now underway Simulink and Stateflow learning. I have got all of it coming together, and I'm also including Simulink Coder as well. Originally, I've looked at the Matlab Coder, pretty restrictive, but the Simulink seems to be a little easier to work with, despite the fact you have to pipe everything through a Simulink model, or canvas, blocks, all that visual stuff. As well as I've looked at Stateflow, and I gotta tell you, Stateflow is pretty impressive. So if you want to design something that's very visual based, all your data, your states, all your transitions, all your events and triggers, and what triggers what event, that can all be code generated as well from within Stateflow. So it's quite interesting to see these. And when I say code generate, I'm talking about code generating to C or C++. So I'm going to pursue building something very simple. I don't know, maybe import a file, a data file, and then print it or log it somewhere, and then just see if I can do that, and then execute some kind of dummy trade through the Interactive Brokers Traders workstation. Now, if I can get that done, we're on our way, and that's all going to be done in C and C++. So that's what I'm thinking of doing, just to do something very simple, proof of concept, that kind of stuff. Also, I should be announcing today, I'm now working with Deltix Cloud Services for their subscription-based platform, which is obviously cloud. I'm planning to do some demos of that soon as well, of some strategies and the software. Especially, it's working with Quant Office, which is there's two products that come with Deltix, the full-blown version, which is Quant Office, which is the front end, which is where you build all your models and interface all your data, and blah 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 blah. And then there is the back end, which is a server end, which is quite interesting. I don't have access to that, but from what I've seen and read, it's very powerful, very quick. You can quickly connect into all your major exchanges, CME, Arca, all that stuff by just clicking things, and it's quite ingenious. And you can also turn on this internal database called Timebase, which is quite ingenious too, which is, I don't know how performance based it is compared to something like a KDB, which is pretty well the industry standard, what people use for their tick database and an internal database as well. So Deltix has that as well, so I'm going to be playing with that and seeing how I can integrate that with Simulink, Matlab, or code-generated stuff coming out of Simulink or Matlab. So definitely those are the best two combinations for anything to do with automated trading. As it stands right now, they are expensive options, not cheap, but these are obviously geared towards very high net worth individuals, and or obviously institutional players like a hedge fund or even a bank. But these are quite neat to play with. From that, I'm hoping to develop some single item products that I can provide to my membership, because a lot of my membership can't really afford a lot of these tools. There are some that do, and then some are actually driving me to continue the development with these tools. So that's what I'm doing. And see where it goes. So that's the goal over the next week or so, to get a basic, I guess we'd call it a self-contained little trading system that just basically imports market data, and then basically does some kind of execution on the trading side, and then that's obviously through some kind of co-generated Simulink model. So I might do some demos on that for my membership. But that is where the excitement is. So that's where we're at. Just want to let you know.